In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Google Meet in advance using Google Calendar. It's a handy skill that keeps your plans organized and makes sure everyone is on the same page ahead of time. We'll take it step by step so you can follow along easily and feel confident using this tool. To kick things off, the first step is to use Google Calendar. This is a powerful and convenient tool that integrates seamlessly with Google Meet, making scheduling a breeze. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and log into your Google account and navigate to Google Calendar. It's typically found in the grid menu in the upper right corner of your Gmail or Google homepage. Once you've opened Google Calendar, your next task is to create a new event. You can do this by either clicking the plus button that you'll see, typically on the bottom right, or looking for an option that says Create towards the top of the page. Both options will get you started on scheduling your meeting. Now, it's time to dive into the details of your meeting. Enter all the necessary information such as the meeting title, date, and the time you wish it to start. Providing these details ensures everyone knows what to expect and when to be there. Being specific helps reduce any confusion later on. After setting the basics, you'll notice an option to add video conferencing. This is where Google Meet shines. Click on Add Video Conferencing to initiate the process and choose Google Meet from the list of options. By doing this, you're essentially enabling a virtual meeting room for you and your participants, making remote collaborations possible and straightforward. With the conferencing set up, the next step is simply to click Save. Doing so confirms all your changes and locks in the details of your meeting. This action also sends out invites to any participants you've added via email, helping to keep everyone informed well in advance. Lastly, sharing the meeting details with others is a breeze. You can do this by copying the Google Meet link that is generated and sharing it with anyone you wish to invite. Sharing the link ensures that everyone has direct access to join the meeting when the time comes. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a Google Meet in advance with Google Calendar. Now take a moment to check your calendar to ensure everything looks good. It's always a great idea to double check details like time zones or conflicting events, just to make sure everything is set up perfectly. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to schedule a few test meetings to get the hang of the process. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.